Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a JSON file to a readable format. This video will make it super easy to understand your JSON files. So now let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and type Code Beautify JSON to text converter into the search bar. This will help you find the right tool quickly. Then click on the link to go to the website where you can start converting your file. Step 2. On the website, click on the File button to browse your computer. Find your JSON file and hit Open. Or if you prefer, you can copy and paste your JSON text directly into the input box. Both methods work the same way. Step 3. Once your file is uploaded or pasted, check the Output section. Here you will see your JSON file neatly converted into a readable text format. This makes it easy to understand and work with your data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.